It's boosting our morale also because we are taking match to match and we need to be in a better place. That's what I can say. We are targeting to remain in the league. So far, that's what I can say. Yep, depending on where we are. So that's what I can say. We want to remain in the KPL.